We'll guide you through how to export from Google Keep. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to export Google Keep notes into Google Docs for better formatting, printing, sharing, or creating more structured and professional documents. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move to the search bar and type Google Chrome into it. When the search results appear, click to open Google Chrome on your computer so that the browser launches properly. After the browser launches, click on the address bar at the top, type Google Keep, and press Enter on your keyboard to begin the search. From the search results page, find and click on the official Google Keep website to make sure you are accessing the correct platform. Once the website loads completely, the Google Keep dashboard will appear on your screen, displaying all your saved notes. Now, move your cursor over the note you want to export. Hovering over the note will highlight it, so you can clearly identify the correct one. Click the note to open it. After clicking, your note will appear in a larger view and will be editable, allowing you to review its content before exporting. Carefully check the note to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Next, click the More button, which is represented by a three-dot icon usually located at the bottom of the note interface. When you click this icon, a list of additional options will appear. Look for Copy to Google Docs, which is the second option from the bottom of the list. Once you find it, click Copy to Google Docs to begin the export process. After selecting this option, the selected note will be automatically exported as a Google document. The system will process the request for a few seconds. When the export is successful, a pop-up notification will appear at the bottom left of the screen to inform you that the document has been created. In this notification, you will see an option labeled Open Document. Click Open Doc to check if your note is correct and has no errors after being transferred. A new window will appear in your browser, displaying your successfully exported note in Google Docs format, where you can continue editing, formatting, or sharing the document as needed.